Hello friend, in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve mixture problem easily using the sort trick. So let's start. In this type of question it is given that the 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 ratio of milk and water in a container is 2 is to 1, and when 2 liters of water is added to this container, then the ratio of milk is to water becomes 4 is to 3. So we need to find out what is the initial amount of milk and water present there. So it's super simple. What we need to do is we need to use a very small logic. But that since this is milk, this is milk and water. So since we know that we are not adding uh, milk or subtracting milk, so the quantity of milk must remain constant. So in the first ratio it is 2 is to 1, and in the second ratio it is 4 is to 3. So the milk should remain constant. So the value of milk should be constant. So what we need to do is just multiply the first ratio by 2 and the second ratio by 1. So it becomes the ratio become 4 is to 1 and 4 is to 3. Now we can it becomes 4 is to 2 and 4 is to 3. Now we can clearly see that the milk has become constant, and we can see that some water is added. So how much, according to the ratio, how much water is added? So it is 3 minus 2. So means 1 unit, means 1x 1x is added, and its value, according to the question, its value is 2. Its value is 2. So since we got the value of x, now we can find out the initial quantity of milk. So initial quantity will be of the milk will be 2 into 2, which is equal to 4, and the initial quantity of water will be 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. So this is your answer. Let's take one more example. It will be more clear with one more example. Suppose uh, uh, this time it is given that in a container the ratio of milk is to water is 5 is to 1, and when 2 liter of water uh, is added to it, then the ratio becomes 3 is to 1. Now we need to find out the initial quantity of milk and water. So it's very easy. Since the amount of milk is constant, so make it just multiply the first by 3, second by 5. So the ratio becomes 15 15 is to 3 and 15 is to 5. 15 is to 5, right? 15 is to 5. Now we can see that there is an increase of 2x, whose value is also equal to 2. So x becomes 1. So the initial quantity of milk will be 5 into 1, which is equal to 5 liters, and water will be 1 into 1, which is equal to 1 liters. Okay, thank you for watching this video.